So we're going to connect the calendar, the Google Calendar, to GoHighLevel. So what you want to do is on the left-hand side of the menu, click on calendars, then in the upper menu, click on calendar settings. You can see we have a calendar here, and just to verify that it is unavailable or it is available for all times. You can see here on Friday. I have a meeting at Friday at 2 tomorrow. So you can see there is, in fact, a slot here for 2 o'clock. So once we connect the calendar, that should go away. So to do that, in the upper menu, let's click on connections. Then under calendars, make sure that you click on add new. And then you can choose which calendar you want to connect. In this case, we're connecting Google. Now down here, you're going to click on sign in with Google. Select the Google account you want to use. Click continue. And lead connector is how GoHighLevel connects to Google. So you're going to want to allow that. And for some odd reason, it doesn't really give you like a confirmation or anything. But if you click on go back, you'll be in the calendar settings. Go to calendar settings, and then go to connections again. Now, you can see your calendar is available here. And what you'll want to do is make sure that you add it as a conflict calendar. And you'll say the calendar that goes, because some people have multiple calendars within Google. Mine is just named si.ifjustdesign.com. So click on save. Okay, it's still processing from below. So let's let that process. To speed it up, you might be able to refresh. Okay, the processing went through. This linked calendar is to allow GoHighLevel to put a meeting onto your calendar. And now for the linked calendar, click on add, select that again, and then select the calendar you want them to go through. So I'm going to select mine, click save, and I'm going to click close, and you can see it is now processing. And we can maybe hit refresh again. Okay, and it's processed. So now, because my name is associated with this calendar and the conflict calendar, we can go to this Stacey I will test calendar. And when I refresh, because I have a meeting at 2 tomorrow, that slot should no longer be available. So yeah, so it jumps from 1:30 to 2:30. And that's all you need to do to sync your calendar.